I'm Tammy. I had a smile makeover, a full makeover from Dr. Patel, and I've loved it. I was told that I have a lot of acid in my stomach, and so from that, for years in the making, I have had a lot of my teeth crack and chip off, and eventually I've had to have a couple pulled on this side, one pulled on this side, and one below. And with good intentions, I always thought, okay, it won't be long, I'll replace that. There was a time right at Christmas time where I was supposed to go to a Christmas party, and the evening before that, I actually bit down on something and it broke the front tooth. And talk about just horror, but what it was all of my nightmares that I had been having coming true. I actually used to have a lot of nightmares about my teeth that would break and in public and that people would see it. I became very unsociable.
Tammy came to us actually looking for a smile makeover. She had a couple crowns here and there. They all were different shades of white, and she just something about her smile that she hated for all her life. She had made many attempts, but she hadn't quite really gotten the results that she wanted. We did the digital wax up, figured it out what the final is going to look like. She okayed it, and we got everything ready, digitally printed models, and the day we worked on her, she went home with beautiful temporaries. When she came back for her final smile makeover, it was amazing. She had her makeup on, she was smiling. As she's walking through our hallway, she stopped, looked at the mirror in the hallway, and smiled just to check her brand new smile. That was just absolutely life-changing for her.
The first time I saw the smile in the mirror, that was one of the times that was really hard to hold back the tears. I probably did cry, I don't remember, but if I didn't, it was only because I was really trying not to. To be given something, it's almost like being given a better life. Ever since I started, I hadn't even seen the results yet, but I knew from their chairside manner and the way that the attention that she put into everything, every detail, there is just, there's so much gratitude in my heart for every step, every kind word that was said, every gesture that was done here. Definitely would recommend the office, 100%.